Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons that we offer. This week in class, as has so often been the case over the last 14, 15, 16 months or so, we ended up talking about COVID yet again. One of my students had just had her first jab. She had received a dose of the Sputnik vaccine in Russia. And she was chatting about this, and another student was saying that she doesn't think she's going to go for the vaccine because she's young and fit and she has a good immune system. I then told the story of a guy who lives in my street actually, who was only 28 years old when he got COVID last year and was an incredibly fit guy. He was a marathon runner, very, very sporty. And he's had long COVID really badly for the last year. And to be honest, even if you are fit and healthy and you get COVID and it doesn't affect you, it can obviously still be transmitted to other more vulnerable people. So I commented that sometimes being young and fit and having a strong immune system can lull you into a false sense of security and make you think you'll be fine when you won't necessarily. If you're lulled into a false sense of security, something causes you to feel safe when you're not really. In the same way, you might say, we had all these CCTV cameras installed around the house to protect the property, but sadly they lulled us into a false sense of security because we still got burgled when we were on holiday. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, I'd love to see some examples of how you might use lulled into a false sense of security.